everybody, Yogi here. I am in Hartford, Wisconsin this evening, and there's some people that I know who kind of did a little decorating this year for Halloween, and we're going to show you what they did for Halloween this year. So come along for this little extra special edition of Road Trips with Yogi. But this is it right here. This is the Diener Residence in Hartford, and it is just cool what they've done here. They have this entryway. See that? Isn't that cool? Then you get to go in here and kind of see what they have. And as we walk along the path here, isn't that cool? This skeleton did not make it. Very neat. Here, if I just put it down without the light, that's what it does. And as we move along, we have a little clown here. And here is probably the centerpiece. It is a Ferris wheel. Look at that thing. Is that thing cool or what? Little baskets with skeletons on them. Very neat. And a Zoltar? They have an actual Zoltar here? Not an actual Zoltar, but a homemade Zoltar. But very cool nonetheless. Very neat. Okay, as we continue, we have not cotton candy, but rotten candy. That's kind of cool. Look at that. Pretty neat. Oh, I kind of missed. They got here, we got to go back. They have got somebody tightrope walking. That's pretty cool. There you go. Little bat hanging here in front of us from a tree. Another little bat hanging in front of us from the tree. All right, as we continue on, now we walk to the front of their decor, and they got Jack's box. There's Jack in the box. Very neat. You know, it's unfortunate. Not a lot of people go all out for Halloween anymore. It's kind of funny. This whole block is like, there's no decor, no decorations anywhere. But then you get to this house and it's like, it sticks out. It's not hard to find, that's for sure. It's the only house on the block that's decorated. Ooh, that's pretty neat. And you got this guy here, getting ready to test his strength. last but not least, we got the ring toss. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm trying to light it up pretty good. And then you have the ticket booth. $5 to play all the games you want. Let's get another shot from the front. Again, this is the Diener Residence in Hartford. Very cool. Very cool decking out the place, let me tell you. In my Holy Hill episode, I had mentioned that the Holy Hill skeletons have not been up this year. Well, guess what? In the week and a half since I've been here, they are here. So I'm going to turn around and show you what the Holy Hill skeletons look like this year. It's a wedding. Till death do us part. We've got the police officer here. And they got, thank you for visiting. Hope this made you smile. Tips appreciated for next year's display. And then there's the Holy Hill Skeletons sign. And here we are. We even got the photographer. Till death do us part. You get to walk up the aisle here. Everybody in attendance, looking good? Looking real good. We got the Donald Driver Packer in the back there. And we got the other guy with the Green Bay painted on his head. Huh. The Holy Hill Skeletons are here this year. Make no bones about it, folks. It's here. Ha! See what I did? Very nice. Very nice. Oh, and even got somebody speaking with the wireless microphone and piano player. Very nice. I'm going to guess how many skeletons there are. Maybe 100? But it's pretty neat. Very, very cool. And we got some stuff over here too. We got some skeletons crossing the Rainbow Bridge. A couple people didn't show up here. I suppose if you want to sit down and view the wedding, you can. There you go, Holy Hill Skeletons 2020. The theme for 2020, death do it till death do us part. We've got the Rainbow Bridge. kind of weird this year because it's on a busy road, 167, going towards Holy Hill West. But they have no parking signs on the side of the road. So they're there was a place across the street where you could pull in and park, that building right behind me there. That was actually a pretty neat little shop called Tree Ghost. And he used to make things out of metal. I bought a couple things from there. But it's closed now, unfortunately. That's going to do it from Holy Hill. The Holy Hill area, anyway. The 2020 Holy Hill Skeletons. Glad to see them up. I thought they weren't going to be up this year because of COVID. So, my last video, I showed some pictures of what the past displays look like, and now we finally got out here to see what the 2020 display looks like. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that subscription button, the bell, the notification bell. That way you will be informed when new videos are posted on my channel. And you can also go to Patreon and become a patron. www.patreon.com/Road Trips with Yogi, each word starting with a capital letter. R for road, T for trips, W for with, and Y for Yogi. And on there, for a small monthly donation, you can help support my channel and get access to live streams and bonus content. And I got a couple other things in store for once my Patreon grows a little bit. But if you wouldn't mind going there and subscribing, that would be awesome as well. So that's going to do it for this episode, folks. Until the next one, I am out of here.